In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and activate a process in Salesforce Process Builder. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to Salesforce Setup. This is the main administrative area where you can configure automation tools, customize objects, and manage how your Salesforce environment behaves. Once you're inside Setup, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct org and that you have the permissions needed to create automation. Next, use the quick find search field in the sidebar and type in Process Builder. As you type, Salesforce will filter the available setup options, making it easier to jump directly to the tool you need. When Process Builder appears in the results, open it to access the workspace where existing processes are listed and new ones can be created. From there, click the New button. This opens the setup area for building a new process. This is where you begin defining the logic that tells Salesforce what should happen automatically when certain records are created or updated. Before you continue, it helps to be clear on the business goal of the automation so the process is easy to build, test, and maintain. Now define your trigger, object, event rules, and conditions. In this part, you'll choose the Salesforce object the process should monitor, such as a lead, opportunity, or case. Then you'll specify when the automation should run, for example, when a record is created or when it is created or edited. After that, set the criteria that determine whether the process should continue. These conditions are important because they control exactly when your automation will fire and help prevent unintended actions. Once your criteria are in place, add the target actions and branch steps and define the execution paths. This is where you tell Salesforce what to do when the conditions are met. Depending on your use case, actions might include updating fields, creating related records, sending notifications, or triggering other automated behavior. If your logic has multiple possible outcomes, you can create branches so each path handles a different scenario. Make sure the flow of actions is organized clearly so it's easier to review later. When everything looks correct, click Activate to make the process live. Keep in mind that for new projects, Salesforce recommends using Flow Builder instead, because Process Builder has been deprecated, even